Going.
Oh, it's recording?
Yeah.
I have to record
Okay.
all of them.
This is
Just hold them both.
this is Rain the Kitty,
Ollie Girl, otherwise known as Cupcake. Yeah. And
Don't
Tristy
say my name.
Cat.
No.
Otherwise known as
Tristy
Freeze.
Cat or Freeze or Flare, whatever you want to call me. Oh,
Okay.
look, I'm shaking this around.
and we are going to
Doofus.
be, Olivia is going to be carrying me up the stairs. Oh, look.
So I'm strong as an ox.
We're not going to put her on YouTube because she's restricted.
Because there's a club right there. Restricted.
Ready?
Club.
1, 2, 3.
Really?
go.
There's a club? That doesn't make any sense. Oh my goodness. Oh, you guys are going too fast. You know, you should, someone should carry me downstairs.
Okay, Olivia, hold up the cameras. We're going to be recording me carrying Tristan now.
Holy crap.
Oh, what are you doing, Olivia? You're being lazy.
I am lazy. I just...
And that's how you carry someone down the stairs.
How do I stop it? How do I stop it?